within your salon and spa, you need to have 2 pedicure stations next to each other and 2 therapists working at the same time. And you're not going to do, as we've suggested, have the client seated for the water and put them onto the bed, but you need to put them in place. Then this is how you could set it up. So for each client, you would have your pedicure bowl, the towels, a ladle, and their own teapot. And then between both of the stations, we would suggest you use our bed tray. Now this tray is on legs, so it is raised up, and it means that if you're sitting at a low level as a therapist would, it puts you in a great position. And you'll see both therapists have perfect access one side from the other. So the row of products goes down the middle. They've all got their own bowls, so they've got their own soak bowl, their own bowl with the lavender and the mint, their own scrub bowl. There is one of each product that you need: foot soak, foot scrub, foot balm, your Himalayan oil, mint and orange elixir, and the crystal sanitizer. The only thing that we double, in the very front next to the roses, you can see 2 cuticle oil bottles. And that's just because it's the one bottle that seems really odd when you're sharing it, and it looks bad from a client perspective. Now underneath that tray, we've got our little rattan box, like when we described the setup for manicure, which has the barbicide jar in, any files, and then actually just in front of the tray, we have the big P wooden box, which can house all of your base coats, your top coats, all of your files again. So everything is literally there where you need it to be. If you want, you can also have a sterilized envelope designed for pedicure.